So Manisha, we are three members here, so we can start our discussion without wasting any time. If someone will
Yeah,
join,
sure.
that is good. Otherwise, we can discuss because we have a Neha also. So,
Okay.
so just start from you. What you think about this topic and what is your opinion? So you can share. Then
Okay.
definitely Neha will share. Then also I will put my point. So just share.
Yeah. So today's topic is, do love distract from our goal? So according to me, yes, it do, because when you are truly attached to someone, and when you are truly love someone, then definitely some distraction is there. Because when you love someone genuinely, then you may have some expectation from him or her, and if the expectations doesn't get fulfilled, some fights will be there. And I would say this is distraction, and it deviate us from our goal. So we should always try to make a long distance from love, even though it is not in our control. That's
Okay.
all I can
Okay.
say
Okay.
about this.
Okay. Thank you, Manisha. So we have
Yeah.
a very great speaker, Mrs. Neha. So Neha, you can share any
Neha.
point because yes, my
Yeah,
yes, yes.
yeah, exactly. I'm very much, agree with Manisha. Like, love, exactly, it does distract, right? And it depends, it varies also. Like she said, like, love is totally distraction that we should, she said we should be, stay away from it. But it's not in our hand. When it
Yeah.
happens, it happens. Nothing in our control. And moreover, the case is not same in all the cases, we can say, because as I started my point with the point statement that it varies. There are different cases. It can be different cases. Like in some cases, I have, there are number of examples. In some of the cases, what happened, we feel like we feel, if I love this person and if I want this person in my life throughout, so I need to be, I need to maintain a standard. I need to fulfill the desire of this person. And for him, not only for me, the person I love, I need to reach this goal so that I can fulfill her desires, right? So this is one case. And on the other side, yeah, it distract too, because whenever we're in teenagers, like, we can't say that love is a love. That is just an attenuation, sorry, a fascinations. Whenever we want someone, like, it should be, I just want to get her or get him. That's another level of earlier we have also discussed the, what is love and what is not love. So whenever it is love, so yeah, it makes distraction too. And moreover, it push us to reach our goals too. So the situation is very, like, we have to choose that in which category we have to put ourselves.
Actually,
So
Neha,
this is the point.
my thinking is very much different from both of you because everyone mature here, and I think everyone has just experienced the power of love. Actually, my difference is very much different. You know why? Because firstly, we must have to understand what is basically love. Because what I think, love never distract you. Always love encourage you. Yes, you can do this, and there are many example. Due to love, they are very successful. But what I think, when your love converted in lust, means actually there is a very thin line between love and lust. When your love is converted in lust, means you are going to distract your goal because you are not going to find your goal because you have only goal. I have to fulfill my desire, and I am not saying this is not required. Yes, sex is different thing, lust is different thing. Because nowadays, we are saying this is a modern love because modern love involve everything. But when you talk about long time ago, so there was a love people never met 2 years, 3 years, and that was really love, because that love is just forcing them to do something to achieve something. You can take many example we can find, but when you cross that line, which line I am talking about, between lust and love, then definitely your goal will be different, and it will take so much time to achieve your goal. As you mentioned, during the teenager, what we do basically, that was only attraction, nothing love. Because when we are mature, then we can feel what is love. Sometimes love, encourage us, yes you can do, and sometimes love also distract you. We can't deny this, because Manisha has put up a point regarding, when you are loving to someone, so your responsibility is to fulfill his desire also, or her desire also. If you are not feeling, means there is a altercation, there can be a fight, and that fight always going to demoralize you and distract you from your path. So sometimes if people are fighting to each other, so I think there is some black, there is something lacking, because you have seen many example, people are living in a relationship for a long 10 years, 20 years, and they just broke up. So why they are just breaking up? Maybe there can be some misunderstanding, but I think you can recognize a person within 2 years, 3 years. And if you are living 10 years together, and then you are separating, to means there is something lacking. Otherwise you can say love is just over imposed by anything. So actually what I think, if you cross that line, so means you can distract. Otherwise there are many people who have wait 5 years, 10 years, okay, we will meet, and then we discuss, then we think. So there is every, I think there is a proverb like there is a woman behind every successful man. Why it is called? Because they are successful only due to someone is just supporting them. So that is really love. You can take example of, as actually I have seen a documentary of Mark Zuckerberg, and he was mentioning, yes, I was here due to my girlfriend, because she used to always support me at every point. So that is basically love. And also you can say many example, people are uh, ruined their life due to love. Actually when people fail, they start blaming on the love life. Why they are blaming? Because you are also involved in that. Means, I have seen many cases. Suppose I am living with someone and we just broke up, then I start blaming on other people. Yes, she has done this, he has done this. So I think when you fail in your career, in your goal, then you start blaming on some other your love life. So that is not good, and we have to maintain that line. And if you are crossing that line, means you are responsible for that. Then in that case I can say ki yes, love can distract you. Doing teenager, definitely love distract you, means that attraction distract you, always distract you. Because we are dreaming so much thing. Yes, I will be this, I will do this, and that is nothing, nothing, and that is not going to happen in future. Because when you realize that was only you just forget. Only it required some time, and after some time you are with someone, and so that is not new. So this is my point. So Neha, over to you, because we want to listen you, because you are here for no, I think since 1 year 2 months, that's why.
Okay. Have you over it to me?
Hello.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm very much, agree with you, Mr. Pradeep Yadav. So, yeah, so definition of love is different for each and every person. And moreover, if we, think over the love, love is something when nowadays people say attraction is love. People say whenever love comes, whenever love comes, some expectations come. And actually, it's our expectation or over expectation that fails. It doesn't every time it's not love that fails. So yeah, that's the thing.
Neha, earlier days people used to say that love happen only once in life. But nowadays,
No,
every
it
day,
happens each and every second.
yes,
It happens
nowadays,
each and every second.
nowadays,
It's very normal.
no, actually, why we are common, because this is very easy to fall in love with someone without knowing. Actually,
Exactly.
just I am seeing you, I just am in love. So this is not love. Suppose sometimes people used to say, yes, this is 1 second love or something. Actually, I don't agree with this point, because it's required some time. You have to build up some trust, confidence, then we can say, yes, we are in love. Otherwise, this is attraction. Yes, sometimes your attraction convert in love. That is other thing.
Exactly.
But nowadays, every day people just falling in love. Suppose I have seen any girls.
No, no. Moreover, nowadays, love is not love. It's just about a calculation.
Yes,
Yeah. If you say like,
calculation.
yeah, calculation. If you say that, yeah, it's a love on at first sight. Love can nowadays. Maybe in past cases, love could be blind or at the first sight, but nowadays, love is a very much calculative thing. Like if a girl said, yeah. I just love her, and it was my love at first sight. No, whenever it is love, and when a girl look at some boy, first of all he will find out what its degree, what its family background, what its bank balance, each and everything. After each and every calculation, she get to know, okay, if it is love or not. Yeah, so this
Actually,
is from the girl's side.
yes, yeah. Actually,
Yeah, if I talk about boy's side, yeah, then he will do the same things, like what is his past, or what is how's its salary. Nowadays boys also look at the salary of girls, right? So how
actually
much a girl,
nowadays,
yeah,
love is totally depend
exactly,
upon money, how much you are earning, and just everybody is just seeing benefit.
exactly,
If I am attached
exactly.
to
It's
only
a
due to
totally
benefit, if
calculative
there is
thing.
any benefit, then I am attached. Otherwise, people are
Exactly,
just
otherwise I'm not.
there are
Yeah,
multiple options available in the market. That's why people are searching, one girls to other girls, and they are shifting so much quickly. Why? Because now everybody is, actually. So Manisha and Siddharth Ram Kumar Yadav, if you want to say something, so you can speak. Okay.
Sir, I am agree with you, but not with the point that you said that you just said that love happens only once.
No, no, I
You
am saying earlier days people used to say this. Love happen only
yes,
once in
yeah.
life.
So
But
I
nowadays
am completely
just
yeah.
changed.
I'm
Yes, yes.
completely agree with that. Yeah, I'm completely agree with this. That yeah, it happens only once, because after that, if you love someone at the first time, and you broke up with each other, after that I don't think you may respect you may respect someone, you may adjust some other people, but you can't. I don't think you will genuinely love that. The love it,
Manisha, in that case, what I feel, now you are
yeah.
just trying to forget your past experience, nothing else. Suppose you fall in love with someone and you just broke up after 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, and then again you fall in love with someone, means you are just trying to forget your past experience, nothing else. And maybe your current love is very much good compared to last one, but somehow, it is fact and it is also true, because if you love someone so much, so I think this is not easy to forget within 1 month or
Yeah.
2, because you always remember.
Even no, 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 if even it is not about 1 month or 2 month, if it is 5 years, 10 years, then also the like after a few years, definitely after 5 years, 5 years not so not a short duration, so you may forget the feelings that you felt in your first love, so you may forget the feelings, but it like you may not but I don't think that you will forget the person whom you love first time. So it is I don't I'm completely disagree with the thing that love happens in every seconds.
Actually, Manisha, you are right, and also we agree with you. But actually, what we are seeing nowadays, that's why I am mentioned, because someone is walking in a mall and just they see a girl and just start saying to their friend,
Yeah,
"Fall
now
in
yeah,
love. I have
I
fallen in love."
yeah I
Yes.
yeah, yeah, I can't deny with this that nowadays it is happening like this only. People is getting attached to someone very quickly, and they will make a relationship. They don't understand, or like they don't understand the importance of love. They are just going in a relationship, and after 1 year, or after, you can say, after 6 months also, they are breaking up with each other. So yeah, nowadays it is happening like that only.
I know what I think the main reason of breakup is that to fulfill desire of each other. If you are not feeling, so they think you are not suitable for them. That's why they, start behaving as like this. Otherwise, you just, just break up or they will break up. So this is happening, and so love is basically mutual understanding. If you are unable to understand each other, so this is not going to happen for a long time, and that's why we are seeing, and people are, uh, if you are love with someone, so I don't think you are interested in other girl or other boys, and if you are interested means there is something lagging between you and your partner. That can be many things. So Siddharth and Ram, if you want to speak, so please speak. Don't worry, whatever you are going to speak, we are here to listen you. Just Siddharth and Ram, because you are youngster and
Uh,
I think you are experiencing the love also. That's why.
See that this topic is uh, I think not suitable for me because it's never happened to with me, and I never think about this type thing that loves and anything. Yeah, sometime I distract to someone's by. It's a lot time happens, but I, but I never talk about the loves and anything else. Yeah, but yeah, I sometime I distract by the girls. Maybe that no some. So yeah, it's happened. But if talking about the love realities, I see lots of people are they searching about that how much they have ability. It means he or she are earning money or not. What's this types they are living. Okay, which type they have image, and then going to they love them. So in my opinion, I didn't love to anyone, and I never. But in my opinion, that this is not a love. Okay, just okay that, and I see lots of even my friends they have girlfriends, and they said that now we have breakups and I am finding someone else. Yeah. So this is, we cannot say that it's our love. We can say okay that for some time you getting enjoy and then you say okay now you leave it. In my opinion, this time it's a better
Yes,
than you go to the
I
arranged
think
marriage.
Siddharth, you are right, because nowadays people are treating women and girls as an object, and that is really bad thing, because they are human beings. They are not
Uh,
object to use it, because you
One thing
if
more that here is that people argue that boys always doing like that. Okay, that boys are going to love and leave it. No, I see the lots of girls also enjoy it and then
actually,
they leave it the boys. Yes,
Siddharth,
it's
we
a
are
both.
not actually we are not discussing here who is responsible for that. Maybe in some cases girls are responsible, some cases boys are responsible. We cannot deny this. But our topic
Hmm.
is, as you mentioned, you are not in love with someone, but you are distracting to see any girls. So
Yeah,
that is
that's true.
okay. So Neha, so you have any point regarding this? So otherwise you can conclude this meeting, because I think everybody has just spoken. So Neha and
Yeah.
yes,
Wait a second. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I'm agree with a point of each and every person. Like they have, and it's good to hear and the point of view and opinion of persons, each and every person, that what they actually think, that whether they have shared their personal experience, not the bookish knowledge or the experience of some other person. So yeah, so it's good to hear, and yeah, then I conclude as I start my statements or conclude my opinion with the thing, like everything is very like each and everything is vary according to person. So for some people, love is just like a push so that they can reach their goal, and for some persons it's just like a distraction because they just want to fulfill their desire. And yeah, so it varies. So when, if it is a true love, definitely, if it is true love, and if a person genuinely cares about you, so he or she will definitely push you not personally or professionally, in each and every phase of life. So maybe that's called a, a true love. But if it is, like if someone is desires some uh, money from you, or if it is some, of physical desire, so I think that's not a love. So we need to stay away from that, and we should be very good at finding the things, like in which situation we are, the first one or the second one. That's it.
Okay, so Manisha, if you want to say something, so you can say. Otherwise, we are going to end up this meeting because we have completed our quota of 30 minutes. So, Manisha,
Yeah, actually, I have nothing to say more actually.
okay, okay. So, Monsing bhai, really sorry because you have joined so much late because we have started this meeting at 9 p.m. So, Monsing bhai,
Good evening, bhai. Good evening,
yes.
bhai.
So, actually, this is
Okay,
time to
okay,
end
okay, no
this.
problem, bhai.
Okay, so tomorrow you can join because tomorrow there is a debate competition and there are 5 to 6 participants who are going to debating.
You
Okay,
know,
So,
surely, bhai. Okay, sure.
yeah,
uh,
sir. Actually,
yes,
it is my first time that I heard Neha. So if you can request her that if she can give some tips how to be a good speaker like her.
actually,
Oh, first of all,
Manisha, we are
yeah,
going to conduct a session, and that session is taken by Mrs. Neha.
yeah,
Actually,
Pradeep
no,
sir, I
Misha is
just want to ask you, yeah, sorry to interrupt you. How much time we have in our hand?
no, we have 10 minutes. There is no issue. You
10
can.
minutes. Okay. First of all, thank you so much, Manisha, for your great words. Yeah, I can give you some of the tips. Like, I think, Mr. Pradeep, we should have a session like where we can share our tips. Earlier, we had a session where me and Dhruv had shared some tips with
Yes, yes.
our mates. So, yeah, I think you should again arrange that one so that we can, like, Manisha.
Yeah,
Yeah, yes.
actually, Mrs. Neha, I am requesting to you, please just put up a message in group. You are going to take a session regarding this. So we will be very much happy
Yeah,
because you have to take initiative.
exactly.
Okay, because we have already discussed so many times how we can, enhance our speaking ability. And now you can see many people are speaking very good in our group. And there are some new member as like you can take example of Manisha is new member, Ram Kumar new member, Siddharth is also, and you are one of the oldest member of this
Yes,
group.
sir.
So you can put your message in
Yeah,
group. That's not
definitely. I'll
problem.
take the initiative.
Just put a time.
Yeah.
I only for 30 minutes, not more than 30
Okay.
minutes, because maybe that can happen. People are just
Yeah.
because Friday is booked for a debate competition. Saturday is booked for fun activity, which is taken by Suresh Bhai.
Okay.
So means Friday and Saturday is booked. So after Saturday, you can plan accordingly.
Okay. All right.
Whenever you
I'll
get time, so you
think
can.
about it, and I'll just look at my plan, my schedule. So
Yes,
I'll
yes.
in part five.
And what about your white junior
White
classes? That is going fine.
Whitehead junior classes are superb, and yeah, I'm working really hard for that. So
Manisha is also working in TCS
yeah,
and
okay.
she is software engineer
All right.
and also very good developer.
Okay.
So that's why I'm asking. So
Yeah, that's great.
okay. So Manisha, we are going to plan a session for that. How we can enhance our speaking ability because
Okay.
as I mentioned in group, Neha is a very means
Yeah,
we have very
yeah,
three
how she is speaking, like it takes a lot of courage
yes.
to come in front of camera and speaks very confidently. It takes a lot of courage, I think.
She is habitual of this. She
Yeah,
is
we are
habitual of this.
habitual of it. Yeah,
We have
given our
conducted near
2
about
months. Yeah,
50 to 60 session.
yeah,
Yeah, we
we
have
are in
conducted 50
60
to 60
sessions.
session.
Not only that,
Yes.
if I talk about my professional life, I have recently, completed my 200 hours on. So you can see this is not a work or I have done. This thing has not brought up in just 5 to 10 hours. Here we have practiced for 60 hours or 60 sessions we had. And moreover, at my workplace, I have recently completed 1200 hours. So it's a output of 1200 hours. So that was the
Yes.
reason I didn't able to continue in this group. So but right, I just thought as that something is missing in my life. So because generally it became the part of my life, or daily 9:30 to 10:30 my dedicatedly are for this group. So after I just left 1 month ago, I guess. So I
Okay.
found something is missing, so I rejoined it so that I can, be the part of the same group, and I can have a great time with this group members.
Yeah, it seems that you are a professional English teacher, I would say.
Oh, thank you so much. All
Okay,
right.
so
Yeah.
okay, thank you Siddharth, Neha, and Ram, Monchin Bhai, and Manisha. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow for debate, and then from Monday onwards, we are going to also put some debate topic, and I think Neha will be present here, so we can learn many things.
All
How she
right.
is speaking, and also we can listen her thoughts. So, thank you guys, and sorry,
Yeah.
Monchin Bhai. Thank you.
All
Yeah,
right. Bye-bye.
thank you, sir. Thank you, Neha. Bye.
And after 1 hour, you can see it on YouTube channel. Okay, so that's not
Okay.
problem. I'm going to upload this. Okay.
Okay, sure, Pradeep bhai.
Yes, yes. Okay, Monchin Bhai. Thank you.
Okay, all right, bye. Right.